hate summer. There, I said it. You'd think that a gal from Southern California would love summertime, or at the very least, I guess, be indifferent to it. But no, I just don't like it.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Now, I will say that there are some things surrounding summer that I'm okay with, and some, dare I say, actually love. The summer fruits and veggies, flowers and trees blooming, outdoor barbecues, lemonade and ice cream. And I actually don't mind the longer days. I just hate how, in order to stay comfortable, I have to shut the windows, draw the curtains, and essentially make it dark and sequester myself in the 2 rooms that have air conditioning. During the summer, I end up essentially becoming a cave troll. I'm hot, sweaty, and grumpy. My life generally revolves around asking one important question: can this activity be done in air conditioning? This summer in particular has been brutal here in Europe. We've had several extended heat waves, and here in Vienna, we hit 105 degrees or 41 degrees Celsius. Most days have been in the high 90s with multiple days above 100. Now, I know that some of you in the US are thinking, well, we hit that every year. And yes, certain parts of the US get much hotter for much longer, but we're just not equipped for this kind of heat here. Air conditioning isn't nearly as common, and even when like a store or even public transportation does have it, it's often, let's just say, not particularly enthusiastic. Thankfully, we do have 2 portable AC units at home, and they have been absolute lifesavers. One cools the living room and my office, and the other is in our bedroom. I've always been pretty intolerant of heat, but now that I am in perimenopause, it's even worse. So, needless to say, I am very ready for summer to be over. I did say there was some things about summer that I love, and summer fruit is very high on that list. I know that there are people out there that love summer and love the heat, and I love that for you. Part of me wonders if this love affair with the summer season is, I don't know, a holdover from when we were kids and on the summer holidays from school. We didn't have to wake up early for class. We didn't have the same responsibilities, if any. We were told to go out and play all day long. We got to spend more time being kids and playing with our friends and, I don't know, maybe go on vacation with the family. There were barbecues and pool parties and staying up late. Summer was freedom. And as adults, it just isn't quite the same. I personally have seasonal affective disorder with summertime. I have no energy. My creativity slows to a crawl. Projects that normally excite me suddenly feel overwhelming. I stop wanting to go out, I stop making plans, and if I'm being completely honest, I just stop feeling much like myself. Then the heat finally breaks. Those cool mornings come back. I throw open every window in the apartment, and suddenly I shed the troll persona and start to emerge from my cave. Walks with Mildred get longer, and I start saying yes when friends ask me to go do things. When fall starts to come around, my brain no longer feels like it's overheating. And all of those ideas that disappeared over the summer somehow start to find their way back. Which is why I'm already counting down the days until autumn arrives. And this year I have even more to look forward to. For my 50th birthday this year and our 25th anniversary, Will surprised me with a trip to Scotland at the end of September and the beginning of October. It'll be our first time there, and honestly, Scotland in autumn sounds absolutely divine. I have a feeling it's going to be exactly where I need to be. I've finally stopped feeling guilty about not liking summer. Every year I see people posting their beach holidays and pool days and talking about making the most of summer and being sad that it's almost over. For a long time, I felt like there was something wrong with me because I wasn't enjoying it the same way. But I've realized that we don't all have to love the same season. Some people come alive in July. Apparently, I come alive in October, and that's okay. So while everyone else is trying to hold on to these last few weeks of summer, I will be over here patiently waiting for that first cool breeze. Any day now.